so alone. There's other people in the room, but I'm so alone. Close to tears as I roll back the years to that other time and place. Back when we were all still together in the same place. Still remember back then, Tichitamba. Munyika yedu yakarwirwa nemakamba. It's not that I'm alone per se, it's just the people around me don't know me the same way. I miss you fam, plus now I understand you saying life's not the same when you're not in your father's land. Sometimes I try to get high to cope, but this luck ain't as dope as the natural weed is the smoke. Staring up at the low ceiling in my room, seeing grandma's face. I never got to say goodbye, I keep wondering was it all my fault? No one put her on the phone that last day when I called. I'm in prison, they wouldn't grant Kadzia a visa so she could visit. They insane that I ship myself on that plane to be a slave. Back home, Sekuru must be turning in these graves. It's hard living here knowing neighbors wouldn't care if they woke up tomorrow and I wasn't there. You ever dream of an oasis where we can one day sit and break bread among familiar faces? For I still with these girls, though they're still fighting. I'd have left, but I'm glad he doing the right thing. Maybe he didn't have a choice. Situations can force us to be men when we're only boys. Remember how he held me down when I was locked away? Cops stressing about my movements, but he wouldn't say. Who'd have thought things could turn out this way? Cause now that nigga hate my guts, man, life is nuts. Friday, it made my week. It's a shame you couldn't call, it would be good to speak. Cause the phone doesn't ring much these days. Does growing up really mean we should all go our separate ways? You left home and said you'd sign to a label and would live like the dudes we used to watch on cable. But 6 years later, brother, tell me the truth. Should I still believe in them dreams from my youth? Cause it's hard to tell the truth from the lies when peeps overseas always floss when they come by. I tip some brew for the ones who flew too high. They struggle wherever you are under this blue sky. Simba's mom passed away, but he didn't come. I heard the brother sent some money, but he didn't come. Though you're far away from home, brother, try to keep track of the factual. Always need somewhere to